Hi guys! Today no vlog. Okay. So, vlog kita sa
Pick one friend and what number do you guess? Let's go!
Let's go guys!
Here's it.
We just
Okay, let's start.
we just put in the box because there's no putting.
Yes. Okay,
Okay, let's go! Okay.
Mag-start na tayo. Buksan lang natin.
First,
Dili ko pala binatag yung mga number.
sa wallet ko. Okay, me first.
Okay.
Pagamay pa ako. Okay. Me first.
Ang God mo! Okay,
Okay.
ako first.
Me first. Pagamay pa ako. Pagamay.
I choose Ali because Ali is my best friend. He is the president.
Because she's up.
Okay. Zemira!
My best friend.
Zemira. Okay, let's pick one number.
Don't pick 10. Don't pick 10. 3, yay. Three.
Zemira is my third friend.
3.
You can...
Okay. This pick that.
Hindi na tayo magpadugay. Sira yung mga bonot.
Bonus ko si Ferlie J na maldita klase.
Ferdy.
Maldita
Okay,
na
anong
sa
number imo?
date just to one number.
Hindi na magano. Hindi pa lang kita. Anong number yan? Like, Ari pala.
Ang best friend ko!
Nasala, guys. Napili na butang ng ano. Na ang letters. Number 10!
Yes! Yay!
Okay.
I love Riley.
Okay, me turn. I really want Ali.
Ali.
Baba.
Don't pick just sunog Alibaba.
Okay, just wait guys because we're going in part 2. Okay, bye-bye. Part 2 later.